All right, so the first thing I'm going to try to do is change the capacitor, which is like a $7 part, which is right in this little panel here. But before I do that, I've got to pull the fuse out so I don't electrocute myself. So we're going to do that first. But that's the fuse box there. So let's go ahead and move this out of here. Pull that. Bam, done. There's your fuses. Set them over here for now. May have to get 2 new fuses. So I'm going to use a drill, use a driver. I already figured out which one it was that I needed. Got a box full of them. Tighten her down. And then we just take this off here. Don't want to lose your screws. Put them over here. We're not going to lose them. Then I'm going to come over here on this one. And I've got 2 here, 1 here. That's it. 1 right there. Bam, done. That's off. Let's take a look under here. And there we go. There's the capacitor. And you just got to make sure that you put the right lines on the right lines. And then we'll stick it back in there. If we look at it, it says motor run capacitor, TOC 5 MFD, 5%, 370 vac, 60-50 hertz, 70 degrees, compliant. So we'll change that and see if that works. Okay. I think it might work, right? Let's see. What do you think? So those are pretty much the same. We just got to make sure we get the right terminals on the right terminals. So there we go. Set that one there for now. And let's see if I can get this right here so you guys can see what's going on. All right, so we pulled the thing, so we should be okay. We should not get electrocuted. See if this does it. If it doesn't, then we'll just have to, you know, figure out something else. There it is. And so yeah, we're just gonna match these. Boom, boom. That's it. And then set it back in there and wrap some tape around it so it doesn't, you know, we could put it in there like that. So the key is you've got to get the same terminals. So basically what I do is pull this one off. Oh, look at that. It doesn't want to come off, does it? Look at that thing. It's on there. I'm going to get some pliers. All right, so let's see if I can get this off here. Bam, done. All right, so that's that one. So let's go ahead and just replace it onto here, right? We'll do it as we do it. All right, let's take this one off. All right, let's put it on here. And then let's take this one off. We'll put it on here. Right? Last but not least, this one. And then slide it right on there. Bam, done. So this one's off, this one's on. Got them all in there. Now I'm just gonna get some tape. Tape that up. And then we'll try it. See if it works. All right, let's go ahead and let's put some tape on this. Oh shoot, look, that came off. Damn it. It came off so easily. Give it a squeeze. Getting bit by mosquitoes. should stay on there, right? You never know though, right? All right, the question is, will this set in there without, if we put it just like that, we should be okay, right? Of course, you know, all these could be, you know, we might have bad connections there too, right? But that should work. These are all on there. Yep. Set it right in there like that. All right, so before, this was our old one. It's kind of corroded, but you know, it might not have been bad. This might not be our fix. We don't know. But we can go put everything back together and see how it works. All right, so. Smush that in there. All right, I think we're good. So now we just got to get this around here, just like that. Yeah, is that our hole? Let's see if I can get this one in. There we go. I got one in. That one's in. Now let's see if we can figure this one out. Ah, there we go. So now we're good. All right. And get it started. Screw it in. All right, that's on there. And now the question is, we're going to put our fuse back in. Do I need new fuses? Am I going to have to go buy a couple? I don't know. But let's find out. Okay, that's in. Now we just got to see if it'll turn on. That is the question. Cross your fingers. All right, let's see if we fixed it. Ta-da! Yes, it is running. Nice. Way to go, Tom. Another awesome job. This thing is 25, 30 years old and it still works. This thing over here, not so much. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I fix old stuff.